Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7 and we're about to do a presentation about pest development. Let me introduce myself. My name is M. Zufra Andriasa with a student number of 218.
My name is Febrianti Alibedo and my study number is 215.
My name is Ola Gracia Itembareno and my study ID number is 219.
Pest development. What is pests? Pests in the broadest sense are all forms of disturbance to either humans, livestock, and plants. The definition of pests in the narrower sense related to plant cultivation activities are all animals that damaging plants or the results of their living activities can cause economic losses. Factors of pest development. The life and development of plant pests is influenced by internal factors, namely those of the type of pest itself, and external factors, namely the environmental conditions in which the pest carries out its activities, are internal factors. The first one is internal factors. The ability to reproduce. The breeding ability of each pest is different. The level of breeding ability is influenced by the speed of reproduction and the sex ratio. The faster the pest reproduces, the higher its ability to reproduce and be self-defense. Plant pests have the tools and abilities to defend themselves against disturbances from other organisms. There are various forms of defense against pests. It can be in the form of sharp hairs, casings, odors, or colors that assemble the place where they live. And the last is age of imago. The age of the imago influences the increase of the pest population. The longer the age, the female imago, the more opportunities she has to lay eggs. If the environmental conditions are favorable, the imago can reach its maximum lifespan.
External factors. A. Climate. Climate is divided into four, namely air temperature, humidity, rainfall, and wind. Insect body temperature is greatly influenced by environmental temperature. Each insect has a certain temperature range outside the ideal temperature range. Insects will differ from cold or heat. The effective temperature for most insects is 26 degrees Celsius, so that the pest's ability to give birth to large offspring and few deaths. Humidity has a big influence on the life of pests. If the humidity matches the needs of the pest, then the pests tend to survive at the temperature. Water has an effect on the reproduction of pests, especially in the process of spreading plant pests. Excessive water will have an adverse effect on the reproduction and growth of pest organisms. Wind has an effect on the reproduction of plant pests, namely as a medium for the spread and reproduction of pests. B. Soil. Soil structure and moisture have a big influence on the life of pests. Soil with a loose structure with a high organic matter content and certain moisture and support the development of pests that live all of or part their lives in the soil. C. Houseplant. Houseplant are plants that become food and shelter for pest organisms. Invertebrate plants are present in large numbers. Pest population quickly increase. On the other hand, if blood is lacking, the pest population will decrease. D. Biological factors. The principle of biological factors are organisms that are in the pest environmental, which can be animals, fungi, bacteria, and viruses that inhibit the reproduction of plant pests because they eat them, parasitize them, become pests, or compete for food and living space.
In color and odor. Color and smell can influence the reproduction of plants. There are some insects that like certain colors of plants, and there are some insects that don't like the smell of certain plants. Influence of plants to plants to losses due to plants attacks. Plant damage is any change in plants caused by plants activity or attack, resulting in reproduction in the quality and quantity of products. A. Losses in quantity. This can include fluid dropping before it is served, abnormal plant young plants wilting and dying, all of which can result in directions crop production. B. Quality losses. This can include changes in crop production in the form of change in color, twisty, imperfect, sickle from or damage. Sometimes pests only attacks the main trunks of the lower of stems, branches, roots, tubers, flowers, fruit, and seeds. But there are also pests that attack more than one part of the plant. Based on the range of dangers that arise due to pest attacks on quality plants.
That's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.